wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best nasal irrigators. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Nasaline rinsing system is the perfect tool for the sinusitis or allergy sufferer who wants to be ready to clear mucus and open their nasal passages no matter where they are. It's a small syringe-style applicator that can be tucked into a bag, a glove box or a drawer. It creates a good seal and is made from medical-grade silicone. However, it tends to last only a few months. At number 9, the sinucleanse microfiltered can make the process a little less bothersome since it meets the CDC's recommendation for use with regular tap water rather than having to buy distilled or boiling it. It's also 100% BPA and latex-free, so anyone can use it. It comes with a soft tip for user comfort and saline packets that dissolve instantly, but you can't buy replacement filters. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the sanvic pulsatile was designed by ENT doctors who know a thing or two about sinus problems. It's suitable for regular use by allergy sufferers or for treatment of acute symptoms related to an infection. Its tip conveniently snaps on and off for cleaning. It comes with storage spaces for multiple nozzles and 20 packets of buffered salt. However, some find it not powerful enough. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nasal irrigators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the comfypot neti has an ergonomic shape that's easy to keep a firm hold on even with wet hands. Its silicone nozzle feels comfortable against the skin while also creating a tight seal that makes it effective and minimizes the chance of water dripping out. It's designed to last for years and all the components are dishwasher safe. It can be put in the microwave too. Moving up our list to number 6, the neilmed sinus rinse is affordably priced and comes with 50 pre-mixed packets of a pH-balanced isotonic solution that doesn't cause any burning or stinging. It also includes a 120-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't find it effective, you can simply get a refund. This is a low-pressure system that's safe for daily use and easy to clean and disinfect. Halfway up our list at number 5. Since you squeeze the Tonelife nasal wash bottle manually, you have complete control over the pressure, allowing you to perform gentle maintenance on a daily basis and more forceful cleaning on days when you're particularly congested. It comes with child and adult-sized tips and is 100% BPA free, but the cap can leak a little bit. At number 4, whether you're dealing with allergies or sinusitis, the naväge nose cleaner can help. Unlike most others, which just use pressure, it adds powered suction into the process, making it extremely effective for clearing stubborn mucus. It offers an adjustable flow direction, and many find the treatment soothing. However, note that it requires the company's salt pods. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Grossan Hydro Pulse offers relief after just a couple of minutes of use, as it gently massages your sinus cilia while clearing out any obstructions and excess mucus. It comes with one yellow and one blue tip, so you can identify whose is whose. It can alleviate cold symptoms and is better than a neti pot. It's very simple to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nasal irrigators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Dr. Natural Healing Care Kit is a fine choice for the person dealing with a one-time infection or blockage, or the chronic sufferer looking for a spare travel kit he or she can take anywhere. It's a low-cost manual option that's exceedingly easy to use. It features user-controlled pressure and a patented anti-backflow valve. It can help reduce inflammation. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Health Solutions Sinupulse Elite Advanced lets you control its pressure using a simple rotary dial and includes a pause button right on the handle. It offers 2 spray modes, mist and standard, making it a versatile option. It's backed by a 2-year warranty with a large capacity water reservoir and colored tips for easy identification. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nasal irrigators, or simply click beneath this video.